To inspect or replace the drive belt on your RZR 900, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Remove the 8 cover fasteners. Carefully maneuver the outer clutch cover out of the vehicle. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Insert the clutch spreader tool into the driven clutch. Notice, make sure the tool is square with the movable sheave surface of the driven clutch. Rotate the clutch spreader to open the sheaves. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave, opening the sheaves as needed. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, ensuring the cover seal is fully seated. Install the 8 cover fasteners and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.